Greetings, everyone. I'm going to go over the lab presentation part of your cooking lab project. You are going to go through and create a presentation of this new knowledge you have gained. You have a lot of freedom with this. You can figure out how you want to share this information with me and your audience. So you must include all points of this project. So pretty much everything that's in this hyperdoc should be included in however you're going to present this information. You may choose how you represent this knowledge, but it cannot just be this hyperdoc. So you can't just take this hyperdoc and say, there's my presentation. Worst case scenario, you would use the program called Screencastify that I'm using to do this, and you would walk through your whole hyperdoc, and you would verbally give a presentation about what you did to kind of show it off. That's the worst one. You wouldn't want to do that. It's not going to be the nicest to look at, and your audience is probably not going to be super enthused about that. But you can do it, and that may be your choice. All the information must be included in your UA portfolio. So my suggestion, use your Google site UA portfolio, the FCS tab, create this presentation. You could do some video voiceover. You could take your Flipgrid videos that you've done for this project, put everything together in this really nice Google site, and then use that to present to the judges and show off all of the different things that you've done for this project. You have to have a verbal presentation piece, so that means you have to be speaking. It can be live, so if you want to create something that's static and then you talk during your presentation, that's fine, but I'm more interested in possibly having you record something like this. Pictures and videos are highly encouraged. Take a lot of pictures of the different parts of your project, take things and show off what you have created and done. That's really what it is. And then you're going to get to select who your audience is. It can be Mrs. Hodkinson, our principal. It can be other teachers. It can be your parents and family members. It can be community members. Or if you have other suggestions of who you want to present to, we can discuss that. But ultimately, you're going to present this to an audience, and you can kind of pick what kind of audience you want to do. It could also be that you publish a video to YouTube, and then we see if we can get, hits and likes, and maybe we can make a viral video. I don't know, something like that. And that you're ultimately going to add the link to your final lab presentation on this little hyperdoc. So you're going to show what you've done and what you've created and what you've learned, and then you're going to link it here so that anybody else can see it. And then I'm going to share it with hopefully your audience, or if you're going to do a live presentation, I will record your live performance, and then you'll be able to show that to anyone. Okay, so hopefully that was more of an explanation. I am going to go over some of this stuff, but I wanted you to have me talking about it going forward as well. Thank you, everybody.